Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am gonna be doing a look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, the volume 3, which is this one right here. I did get inspired by a picture that I saw, but I did do my own twist on it, and I do hope you guys stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, I do hope you guys subscribe to my channel and you continue to follow up with me and my tutorials, as well as my fitness journey video. I will be filming a video very soon about my weight loss journey update, or a what I eat in a day. So I do hope you guys stay tuned, and I do hope you guys subscribe to my channel to continue to watch more videos of me. I'll be going in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer to start with my face makeup. Foundation, I'm going to be going with the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation in the shade 2.1. It does look a little darker on me because, me being stupid, I went onto the Sephora website and I tried to get it matched by the current foundation that I have by Hourglass. So it said that this was the perfect match to me by the Hourglass one, resembling the Hourglass one, and when I tried it and I wore it on natural lighting, I saw that it was not. It was a little bit dark, and it's too late to return it because I don't have the packaging anymore. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond and Cloud. Okay, well, I just apply the concealer under my eyes, and I do kind of let it set just so it could get a little bit dry. Well, obviously to let it set, I let it set just so I could get a fuller coverage, and I only apply the tiniest bit of the cloud. I'm gonna put a little bit here, tad bit here. Since I am gonna go in with a very colorful look, I do want to highlight other parts of my face, not just under my eyes, just to make it look a little bit more even, if you would say. Well, before my chin and forehead concealer sets, I will go in with the sponge, the Wet n Wild sponge, and I will blend it, just because I don't really mind it if it sets. I mean, I don't mind if I don't get a fuller coverage under my chin or on my forehead, just because I did apply foundation and it is a full coverage foundation. I just don't want to cake it up even more. So meanwhile my concealer sets, I am going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be back to do the rest of my makeup and the eyeshadow. I did do my eyebrows off camera. I did clean them up, and I did put eyeshadow primer. I am using the Luscious Angel eyeshadow primer. I did get it in a BoxyCharm concealer that I have under my eyes with my Wet n Wild sponge, and I do alternate between the eyes to get an even application. One look more covered than the other, so they have an even application. Quickly, and I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose setting powder in the shade That really quick, and then I'm gonna bake. Just press the powder in lightly, and I'm gonna go over my lid once more just to set it a little bit more. The time to just set my nose as well. And I'm gonna bake it as well since my nose does tend to get the most oily. I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection. This is the volume 3. So I'm gonna start off with B5 in the crease. And I'm gonna take that with the Real Techniques blending crease brush. And I'm gonna go right into a little bit above the crease. And I am gonna bring it down this way since I do contour my nose. I do like to blend it in with the nose contour. And I do blend in circular motions. But I get it to the amount. I'll continue to blend in circular motions till I get it to the point where I'm okay with the blendage, if that's even a word. With the Morphe M433 brush, I'm gonna take C3 and remember to always tap your brush so you could see that coming off, and that I am gonna take it lower and into the crease, and again blending in circular motions just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. And I always do the same, that I bring it down to this. I'm gonna go back in with the crease brush, the first one that I used, with no product on the brush, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit more, a little bit above from where I put the crease color. And what I like to do is I like to look at different angles. So I have my little tiny mirror here, I have a mirror in front of me, and I just like to look at the front mirror that I have and then the little mirror. I'm going with another Morphe brush. This has no name, no number. It's a very old brush, so the number it did rub off. It's C4. I'm gonna go in with the C4 with this little tiny bullet brush. I guess it's like a bullet brush. Again, tap off the excess, and I am gonna put this in the outer V. And with this shade, as long as I continue to blend it, it's gonna lose like its pigment. So I'm gonna continue to add pigment to get it to the point where I want it to be. Go back in with the Morphe M433 brush with no more product on it, with what remaining product that has left on it. And I'm gonna continue to blend, and I'm gonna blend the C4 shade. Go back in with this, pick up more of the C4 and apply more here. Apply more in the outer V. Go back in with my Morphe M433 brush. I'll blend it. One more time with the C4 shade in the same brush. Tap the excess, and I'm just gonna pat a little bit more on the outer V. To make a subtle cutting the crease, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes with the palettes that they have, D2. And I'm gonna kind of cut the crease and put that in the lid. I'm gonna go back in with this brush once again, just to blend both of these shades a little bit more. And there you go. So I'm gonna do this eye off camera. And then I'll come back to apply lashes and to do the under eyes. Waterline. Yeah, I'm gonna use this in my waterline. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Punch. Ooh. With this Tarte brush that I got from a holiday collection, I'm gonna use it for my under eyes. I'm gonna use the shade E4, which is that yellow shade, and I'm gonna start blending to my waterline. I mean, to my under eye. I'll start blending. Again, I'm going to continue to add color to get it as opaque as I want it to be. Either way, I'm going to go in with an orange shade under the eye as well. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in with the orange shade. I'm gonna go in with A5 to blend it down there as well. Tap up as most product that I can, and I'm gonna try to get as close as I can down here, and I'm gonna blend it. Wild brush just to kind of blend it a little bit more. Like that. And then with the Mona lashes in collaboration with Oh Yaya. And this is what the lashes look like. The style is called La Morrita. The duo. Well, this is what the lashes look like, and yes, I still need to add mascara. Elf bronzer in Forever Sun Kiss. That's, I think it's the primer infusion one, and the Physicians Formula butter bronzer. Becca blush in Sweet Pea. To contour my nose. I'm gonna be going in with the sleek highlighting face palette, and the palette is the Solstice one. In this Morphe M515 brush to highlight my nose. And I'm also gonna highlight my inner corners, so I'm gonna apply the same highlight. I am also gonna apply it right here on my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with the Shayla times Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. Going in with a dose of colors, liquid lipstick and Nude Mood. And this is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoy this video of me doing an eye look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina 3 palette. And I'll see you guys in my next video.